found out about the REU summer program through Nancy Woods. She's my physics teacher.
And if you ask her that you're interested, then she'll be sure to get you hooked up with something. So she had me apply to a whole bunch of research internships.
I've never done research in a lab or lived in a dorm, so I just wanted to see what that was like.
You get to learn different things. You get to interact with other people in different types of sciences, like people with engineering, people with psychology and stuff like that.
We're trying to see what kind of bacteria is in cornfields where manure is applied to the field.
I work with the machine that I never seen before, like we don't have in DMAC.
Well, we're just reading articles to get a better understanding of organ on chips. And the idea was to write a literary review paper, and then we continue the research throughout the school year.
My research specifically involves just doing statistical analysis on molecular dynamic simulations.
The project I'm working on is based on what's called SWAN, which is a standing wave axiom dynamimetry. So rather than having a two-dimensional image of a cell or a molecule, it adds the third dimension accurate to approximately 1 nanometer.
My lab focuses on the retina, so we're just seeing like what certain genes do to like help develop the retina and if they like help cause like some blindnesses.
I met a whole lot of new people. I made new friends. The experience in the lab was great. I mean, I've never done this before, and so when I did it the first time, it was really exciting.
You're always constantly doing something, and you have to know where to manage it so you have time for homework and time to have fun and time to study.
I think it's great to get some of this internship to make more connection with mentor and professor here in different universities.
And for me personally, it improved what I want to do. It like enhanced the fact that I do want to continue a life in science.
It's not just working with a professor. They have workshops and classes just to make you, just to get you interested in grad school and to help you with like anything I learned here I could definitely use later.
It just got me out of my comfort zone because I got to deal with biology and things like that, whereas mechanical engineers don't always get to do that. And I got to work with people outside of my field and get their perspective on things.
I got to meet like some great people. It's really fun. It's a good experience too.